Logan, come on now. I don't have any money to invest. How can I even start? Let me put this very frankly and into perspective for you without any BS. This is a business. You will eventually need to invest in yourself. If you're not ever planning on doing that, then you're best off probably not even starting with affiliate marketing. But there are ways to start with not spending money yet until you start getting some earnings, right? On day 5 of the challenge, I will be presenting you with some offers and bonuses. Obviously, the ones that cost money are way better and are shortcuts to success. However, I will provide one way to start if you literally cannot afford anything. My goal is to help you wherever you are starting from. So in summary, yes, you will eventually need money, and obviously paying for good education and good software will provide a much better foundation for your online business. But if that's completely impossible, you can still make it. It'll just be a little hurdle extra than most.